In this video, I would like to show you how you can create an Imperium software package from an MSI file. There are two options. You can either use your own client, install the UEM agent on it as presented in another video, then you log in with local admin rights, and you go to the software depot. In the software depot, you will find the packaging center, which you can install on your client. So you will have an icon like this called Imperium Packaging Center. Option 2 is you simply log in to the server we provided via RDP, and so you also have this icon on the desktop. After clicking on this icon, you will see this menu where we select Package Wizard. Now you choose the packaging technology. We will use MSI. And now you can either select your own MSI or you can use one of the sample MSIs which are stored on the server in C, demo data, packaging sources, free commander. So first of all, I'll select the directory and then I select the file inside this directory, the free commander MSI. We also want to create a so-called transform file which will automatically capture the decisions we make during the setup. So for example, this installation directory will be tracked in the transform file. After completing the setup, it will allow us to edit the MSI properties. So very common one is the product ID key, which is basically the serial number. So you can set a static value, or you can decide to create a variable. So you can right-click on a computer later and define individual serial numbers. But we don't need this, so let's disable it. Now the system suggests to change the value of the all users property from 2 to 1, which is best practice, so let's accept this. Okay, and now we can change the software product name, the manufacturer, and version if required. For example, removing the version number of the software product. And yeah, this is the template file name. Let's keep this as it is. And we can also provide some additional documentation. This is important. By default, it will only select the operating system version where we currently run the packaging on. Let's select Windows 10 and 11 as well, so we can also deploy to these operating systems. And we also want a register the software will be imported into in the Imperium Management Console, which could be, for example, tools. Let's have a look at the script, which has been automatically created. This is the package editor that comes with the product, and it supports the complete product lifecycle. So we have an installation section right here where it runs the MSI and does some error checking. It also has a section for the uninstallation of the product right here, and also repair. So if the package is already installed and needs to be reinstalled, this is what is automatically executed. You can find additional commands here, so you can add commands by clicking on them, providing parameters, but it's not required, so we can simply close the editor and proceed. This one is important. Please save the package as zip file locally and click on Finish. Now the file has been automatically saved to the temporary directory of this computer. So when I open the Explorer and enter %temp%, you can see the file right here. This is our package, and we now upload this package to our UEM system. So I open the UEM console, and from the application selector, I will go to the UEM console right here. And then we move to software distribution, software packages, and we click on Add Package. Now I drag and drop this zip file to this section, which will initiate the upload of the package. We can now search for the package in our repository and deploy it from an assignment. Software deployment is explained in another video.